In this video, I am going to walk you through a sitemap scraper using Google Sheets. This scraper will extract the titles, length of the title, URLs, meta description, date, and the length of the meta description. So you can easily decide where you need to make changes on your website. You just need to put the XML sitemap URL to scrap all this data. Let's see how it works. I will put another sitemap URL here and I will click on the extract button. Now it will extract the titles, title length, URL, date, meta description, and the length of the meta description. Remember, you will need to put the sitemap URL, not a sitemap index URL. Like if I see this sitemap index on this website, I see a lot of sitemaps under this sitemap index. So I can copy any of these sitemaps from here. Like let me copy this page sitemap. If I copy this, okay, let me copy the post sitemap and I can use the sitemap URL here like I did here. Depending on the number of the URLs on the sitemap, it can take a while to extract these data. All these data are very helpful when you are analyzing a website for SEO. That's why I made this tool and it is available for you as well. Now let's see how to get this and how to make it work. First, click on the link in the video description and get the link for this Google Sheet. When you open the link on your browser, it will ask you to make a copy of this Google Sheet. Now in cell A2, paste the sitemap URL and click on this extract button. For the first time, you need to authorize the script to run on the Google Sheet. Click on the continue button. Select the Google account. Click on this advanced link and select go to extract URL title meta. The script will need permission for making changes to this Google Sheet and connecting to external services to extract the data. So it is completely safe. It will not affect your Google account or any other sheets in your account. Click on the allow button to continue. After the authorization, once again click on the extract button and all your data are here. Let me put another sitemap. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more powerful tips. Thank you for watching.